Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm making this video to go over week 3 and tell you some of the content that I added. Alright, so go to the weekly work folders here. So I am not making a weekly overview video that covers all of this information that discusses the topic. Rather, the instructional content is my lecture to you about this week's content. So you'll read this as though we were in class and I'm giving you a lecture. The important part that I want to point out to you is the assignments. We all know that there are a lot of assignments that are due this week. And so I spent today making videos to show you how to do each one of those assignments. So for the reading check, this is the first reading check that you'll do this semester. It's a journal. Go to help with reading checks, and you'll find a video that I made called "How to Do a Reading Check." So if you have the question, "How do I do a reading check?" then go to help with reading checks and click on the video "How to Do a Reading Check," and I explain it right there. Right. The other assignment of note this week is the discussion board post, "Why College is Worth It." And so there's a lot of information for you to digest here. I'll leave it to you to read it and click on the links. But I made this video to show you how to do the "Why College is Worth It" assignment, where I explain the purpose and objective of the assignment and then give you a tutorial. There you go. So those are the assignments for this week. And again, please watch those videos that explain how to do these assignments. And again, for the overview of the content, sort of my take, pay attention to the instructional content here. It gives you the overview of the things that you're going to do. So don't forget about the Dr. Chu video and the optional thinking outside the box and the week 3 exit ticket. So click here when you're ready to do the week 3 exit ticket. Okay, that's all I got. Happy Sunday and good luck.